Hello everyone, it's me, Vintage Gaudi. In this video I want to unbox with you this box here. It's a huge box packed full with some surprising Polly Pockets. So what's inside of this package we will see after the intro. Sweet! She sent me this beautiful picture here from this flower bouquet. Very cute. And as a gift I received this postage. I don't know the right name in English. Here it's called postage. So this is very cool in the form of a cloud. Super cute. Thank you very much for this. So cool. So let's have a look what's inside this box. Tons of paper. Compact that I picked from this box is here, this red heart. So I think there is only one compact in a red heart design, so it's definitely the 1989 Christmas compact. And here we do have the dolls. So this compact is a complete compact. Let's open it. So it's in very good condition, by the way. Here, so this is what it looks like. And we do have here the dolls. Let's have a look if I can manage to open them without let them fall on the floor. So, where are you? Here they come. So here we have the dolls. Like this. We got here the reindeer with the red nose and this golden carriage. We have the snowman and we do have Polly, of course, in her Christmas outfit, in her Santa Claus outfit, and we do have a pair of skis so she can skiing throughout the snow. And of course this compact comes with a sound, so let's have a look if it works. So it definitely works. That is so cool. And I'm happy that this compact is complete. On the upper level we do have the cottage from Polly and a Merry Christmas banner here, a TV with a snowman in it, a grandfather clock, and everything is decorated in Christmas style. So this is definitely a Christmas. And by the way, in a few months we do have Christmas already. Wow, so cool. Thank you very much for this first compact. Let's go forward with the second compact. This one here, it's pink and it's in an oval shape. So let's have a look what it is. Wow, super cool. This one is very special. It's from 1995 and I think it's the Shetland pony. It has a beautiful ornaments here on the front of this compact and of course this beautiful horse. So let's have a look inside. Yes, this is definitely a pony or a horse theme compact. So cool. I don't know if I'm holding it wrong. Is this a compact? No, it's okay like so. And here we do have the original dolls that belongs to this compact. And once again, this is also complete. So for me, very, very cool. I tried to buy as much as possible complete compacts. So yes, I don't have to spend so much time to research for the original dolls from the compact. So let's have a look what is coming with this compact. Wow, there is a lot of stuff here. So I hope I don't lose anything here. So we do have a comb, a pink comb. I think it belongs somewhere here. Yes. Of course we have Polly. Here she is. And she can split her legs so she can ride the horse. Super cool. Then of course we do have the horse here. Also very cool with this violet purple tail here. So very, very cool. And then we do have a trophy. A tiny trophy. It's so tiny. Very, very cool. And we do have here a blanket for the horse, so he has not to freeze in the night or something like that. So this is very, very cool. Also, I like it very much, and it's also in a very good condition. I'm really surprised. Thank you very, very much at this point. So there are some more Polly Pockets in this box. So which one I take the next? I want to go with this one. It's a bigger compact, and maybe you can see through it. It is in a shape of a horseshoe. So that is also a horse theme compact here. Let's have a look if I can open it. Wow, look at this shine of this compact. It looks almost new. This is very insane. Really super cool. The compact is from 1994, the riding show, or the pony riding show. I'm amazed what good condition this is. Oh my god, really, really cool. So let's have a look in the inside. So sweet. I wanted this compact so long, but there was no chance to get one complete, and now I do have the complete compact including the trophy. So this is also very, very cool for me, very special. And we do have here the dolls and the horse. So we have the horse here. I don't know the right name from it, but I can write it in the comment section. And we do have also a doll. And of course Polly. Polly is riding the horse. And then we do have the trophy that is in so many compacts lost. So that is also very, very cool. And we do have a battery. Yes, this compact also works with a battery. Here is the sound system, but I have to change the battery. She told me that it needs a new battery, so I have to change that. So now I can't show you the music from this horse compact, but it's definitely music here, and that is also a very cool feature. Here on the lower part we do have a tournier from ponies, from horses. So here are the judges, and on this platform turns the pony, and then with the best notes he received the trophy. And on the upper part of this compact we do have the stable from the horse, and also Polly's flat, I think, above the stable. So this is also a very, very cool compact. So what else are in this box? There should be 3 more compacts. Wow, here is one. Oh, here, 1, 2, 3. Let's go forward with this big compact. Look how big this is. Oh my god, this is so amazing. Let's have a look what's inside. Wow, once again, very shiny, very good condition. It's from 1990 and it's the pencil case. And it should also be, as far as I know, complete. So let's have a look. This is what it looks like here. It's a very big compact, and we do also have some original dolls here. Oh, is this amazing. So we have one pencil. I think the original comes with two pencils, but at least, hey, one pencil. This is super cool. And then we have the pencil top here. And also in this pencil top is a space or a place for Polly to put her in. Then we have here Polly. I think she is Midge. And is it Wee Willie? Yes, these three figures. And we do have also a tiny dog here. No, it's a cat. Sorry for that. It's a tiny cat that belongs to this compact. And we have also here the thing where you can, for the pencil to... What's the right name for this one? I don't know. Sorry for that. And this one, is it a rubber or something? I will definitely write the right names here. In this one is also missing the sticker from Polly, but that doesn't matter as long as it's complete. It is super cool for me. Wow, look at this, so cool. Okay, in this video I am telling about 1,000,000 times it's so cool, but hey, it's really cool. So that is the pencil case compact here. Let's go forward with this really big compact, and it's blue, it shines through, so maybe you can guess which compact it is. It's a Disney compact, definitely, and it's, I think, from 1997. It's the honey pot. It's the Winnie Pooh honey pot. I want it so long, but yes, it was never complete, and here in Switzerland so difficult to find. And now I have a complete one. This is so cool. The figures are all inside. I do not open them yet because I don't want that everything is falling here in the box and I never find them again. So this is the honey pot from Winnie Pooh and the original dolls. I'm collecting only pockets from 1989 to 1996, and after that I find them really weird looking, but this honey pot I definitely had to have because I am a real big fan from Winnie Pooh. I listened to his stories as a child, so I wanted to have this pot, and it's complete as I told you, and this is so amazing. I really like it, and it's one again in a very good condition. That is so sweet, and I like them when they are in a really good condition, so I don't have to clean so much, because the most Polly Pockets that I buy are yes, very used and dirty, so I have to clean them. And yeah, it's not my favorite part of the Polly Pocket collection to clean every compact. But this one looks so amazing. I'm really happy about it. And now we are coming to the last Polly Pocket piece in this box. So it's also one of the very expensive compact that I bought of these 6 boxes here. So, but it's definitely worth it, and it's once again complete. But it cost me a real amount of money to buy this. Anyway, Polly Pocket collecting is about to spend money and have the pleasure. OMG, this is amazing. This is so on the top of the compacts in the Polly Pocket collection. This is the Magic Jewel Ball and it's complete. This is very amazing. I first doesn't wanted to buy this one. It's very expensive. I paid a lot of money for this compact, but it was complete, so I definitely had to have it because I'm collecting mostly the complete compacts, and this one is so amazing. Look at this condition. It's also very great condition, and it is complete, so it has all the dolls in here somewhere stored. I don't really know where they are, but they should be somewhere. Let's have a closer look to the compact. Here they are. Oh, super, I'm very glad. So they are all together. Oh, in a separate box. That is amazing. Look at here, this look all at these jewelries and all of these polys. I think there should be 4. Yes, there are 4. And here are some crowns, and here are the jewelry. So this is a complete set. Very happy. I don't want to unpack this at the moment because I'm scared that I lose some. That will not be very cool. And for a complete compact you need also this chain here, this necklace. It's also complete and it came here in this space. So am I right putting them like so? This way around. So now I found out. And it should has also another level here. So this is a real cool compact. You have to unfold this, unfold the next level, unfold the last level, and then you have here a huge amount of levels in this compact. But this is also very cool and I like it. And as I told you, it's also in a very good condition. That is amazing. I love it. This is from 1995. So now I own a complete jewel magic ball, or the magic jewel ball. Voila! Here are all the 6 compacts that I bought in this unboxing. So what do you think about my Polly Pocket selection that I made? Would you also buy some of these compacts? Thank you very much for looking my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a big thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and we will see us in the next video with Vintage Gaudi. Bye!